this meeting is being live streamed. By staying in this meeting, you consent to be live with anyone to access live stream. S equal to 0. S equal to 0. T equal to -1. T equal to -1. V equal to 0. So hence the Monge's subsidiary equations are given by, hence the Monge's Monge's subsidiary equations are given. Hello.
Sir, me class in a sir ipudu. 3 to 4:30 Rina assistant kada.
అవును నాది 1:32 ఒక 10 మినిట్స్ ఒక 20 మినిట్స్ ఇవ్వండి సరిపోతుంది అయిపోతుంది నాకు ఒక 20 మినిట్స్ ఆగండి నాది అయిపోతుంది క్లాస్
తర్వాత 4:30 సార్ జాయిన్ అవుతాడు కదా
అవును సార్ జాయిన్ అవుతాడు ఇప్పుడు 3 అయింది కదా ఇంకొక 10 to 15 మినిట్స్ ఇవ్వండి నాది కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది
ఓకే
జస్ట్ 10 to 15 మినిట్స్ యాక్చువల్ గా నాది 1:32 to 3 బై మిస్టేక్ మీరు ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం అయింది మీరు లంచ్ చేస్తున్నారని చెప్పాడు విజయ్ మరి నాకు ఆ టైంలో వేరే హోస్ట్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ మీటింగ్ అని వచ్చింది అనమాట ఆ టైంలో సో ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ subsidiary equations are given by dp dy minus dq dx that equal to 0 dy square minus dx square that equal to 0. This can be written as a square minus b square formula. This can be written as dy plus dx into dy minus dx that equal to 0. From this one, dy equal to dx we can write it as that implies y minus x equal to c1. Y minus x equal to c1. That equal to so that dp minus dq dy equal to 0 because dy equal to dx dy equal to dx so dx so we can write y equal to c2 and p minus q is constant that equal to f of next page f of c1 let therefore p minus q equal to f of y minus x so secondly dy plus dx equal to 0 that means dy equal to minus dx or y plus x equal to c3 so dp plus dq to dx equal to 0 so that p plus q equal to g of c3 so p plus q equal to g of x plus y hence the form p plus q equal to g of x plus y and p minus y that equal to f of y minus x. We get so p equal to 1/2 f of y minus x plus g of x plus y. So next page q equal to 1/2 g of x plus y plus minus f of y minus x. So therefore dx equal to dz equal to p dx plus q dy becomes becomes dz that equal to 1 by 2 f of y minus x plus g of x plus y dx plus 1 by 2 g of x plus y minus f of y minus x dy. So on integrating, we obtain the solution. On integrating, we obtain the solution. Z equal to 1 by 2 integration g of y plus x into d of y plus x minus 1 by 2 integration f of y minus x into d of y minus x. That equal to g of y plus x plus f of y minus x. This is the solution of r minus t equal to 0 Bayes equation. Hence the solution. This is complete the solution. Hence the solution. Last chapter, application of partial differential.
Sir, ఇంతకు ముందు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం అయింది సార్? లేట్ గా జాయిన్ అయ్యాము. దీనికి ముందు
చెప్తా, ఇది అయిపోమని యూనిట్ 18 ఇందులో ఒకటి ఉంది అన్నగానే ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ నుండి చెప్తా, మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ చేస్తాను అన్ని. ఓకే, అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ మనకి ఎక్కువ టైం లేదు, 10-15 minutes టైం.
సార్ పేజ్ నెంబర్
249. Application of partial.
Okay, sir.
Application of partial differential equation, PDE. Solution of wave equation. Solution of wave equation. Solution of it. Method of separation of variable. Method of separation of variables. Separation of variables. Let solution of 1. Let the solution of 1. The solution of 1. What is 1 here? Rho square y by dou t square equal to c square dou square y by dou x square. Equation number 1, where c square equal to t by m. So equation, this can be written as converted. Equation number 1 can be written as y of x comma t. That equal to x of small x t of t. Equation number 2. So substituting 2 in 1. Substituting 2 in 1. We obtain or we get capital X d square t by dt square. That equal to c square t d square x by dx square or 1 by capital X.
Sir, what is the page number of the question?
Page number 249.
Okay.
C square x by dx square that equal to 1 divided by c square t d square t by dt square. So equation number 3 consider. Next page. So obviously left hand side of 1, obviously left LHS of 5, LHS of 3 is a function of x, is a fn means function of x alone, while RHS side of a function of t is alone, while RHS means right hand side of function of t alone. Hence, each side is equal to constant k. Since x and t are independent variables, x and t are independent variables. So this can be written as 1 by capital X d square capital X by dx square. That equal to 1 by c square t d square t by dt square, that equal to k. So r d square capital X by dx square minus kx equal to 0. D square t divided by dt square minus kc square t equal to 0. These two are equation number 4. Consider solving 4. Solving 4 for capital X comma small x and capital T comma small t. We obtain means we get A. First condition, k is a positive and equal k equal to 4 plus v means positive and equal to p square and k equal to p square. Let p square. Then x comma small x, that equal to c1 e power px plus c2 e power minus px. So t comma t, that equal to c1 e power pct, c3 e power pct plus c4 e power minus pct. Consider equation number 5. Next page. Next, second b bit. What is that? K is negative. So k equal to minus VA, negative. And k equal to minus p square. Let this is. Then solutions. X comma small x equal to C5 cos px plus C6 sin px. T of t, that equal to C7 cos cpt plus C8 sin cpt. These two are considered equation number 6. So third bit, C equal to where k is equal to 0, then x comma small x, that equal to C9x plus C10, that equal to t of small t, that equal to C1t, C11t plus C12, 11t plus C12, equation number 7, consider. Then, but C1, C2 are arbitrary constants. Out of these three sets, we have to choose the solution which is consistent with physical nature of the problems. Since we have studied the problems variation, why such that? So, must be naturally be a periodic function, x comma t. The general solution of the equation 1, the general solution of GS means general solution of 1, equation number 1 is given by y equal to 2 comma C1 cos px plus C2 sin px into C3 cos cpt plus C4 sin cpt. Capital letters, but in this small letter and this one cpt. Equation number 7.
So capital C ni small c చేసుకోవాలా?
Small c convert చేసుకోవాలి. Capital C small c. Here C1, C2, C4 are C4 make initial conditions and boundary conditions. C1, C2 are make use of C1, C2, etc. C4 are initial conditions. IC means initial conditions, and boundary condition. BC means boundary conditions. Hence the solution. Hence the solution. Next page. Page number 250. Page number 250. 250. The solution of the wave equation, D'Albert's method. Solution of wave equation. Wave equation. D'Albert's method. D'Albert's method. Method. Next, page number 255. Page number 255. Page number 255. Solution of heat equation. SYLM is solution of heat equation. Heat equation. Heat equation. These two are homework. So, let's complete again. We're starting only chapter 16. Unit number 16. 16 lo. Unit number 16 lo. Page number 197. Page number 197. 197 theorem 16.1. Theorem 16.1. Okay now? Next.
Okay.
Oh, next page number 199. Page number
Okay.
199. Theorem number 16.4. Next, page number 203. Page number 203. Example 1. Example 203. Next, page number 204. Page number 204. Oh, example homework. Example homework. Next.
Example ఎంత సార్?
Example number లేదు, only example.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Page number 210. Page number 210. 210. ఇది టీచ్ చేశాను. Find the particular integration. Example అని ఉంటుంది. Example లో find particular integration. PI means particular integration of the equation is d cube minus 2d square d dash minus d dash square plus 2d dash whole square. ఇది homework. ఇది చెప్పాను. Next, unit 17. Next page. Unit 17. మీరు ఇది కాపీ చేసుకోగలుగుతారా? స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోగలుగుతారా? నేను పేజ్ చేస్తే బ్యాక్ వెళ్తాను, అయితే స్టార్టింగ్కి వెళ్తాను. యూనిట్ నంబర్ 17. ఇక్కడ నుండి స్టార్ట్. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటారా? 16. యూనిట్ 16 ఇక్కడ నుండి స్టార్ట్ చెప్పాను. తీసుకుంటారా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ దీన్ని?
ఓకే.
మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్.
Yes, sir.
ఇది తీసుకున్నారు కదా? నెక్స్ట్ ఇది 16.4 థీరం హోంవర్క్. కింద ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పాను, దీన్ని కూడా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ దీన్ని కూడా యూనిట్ 17. అయిందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ దీన్ని కూడా ఎందుకంటే దానికి దీనికి కొంచెం డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. పేజ్ నెంబర్ లో ఈక్వేషన్ లో 17, 29, 30 పెద్ద పెద్ద నెంబర్లు ఇచ్చారు, మనం చిన్న నెంబర్లు వేసుకుంటాం.
అవును సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 224. ఇక్కడ నుండి చెప్పినట్టు ఉన్నారు కదా,
ఇక్కడ నుంచి చెప్పారు సార్.
ఓకే. సో
సార్ మీరు పేజ్ నెంబర్ 255 చెప్పారు కదా, ఇక్కడ 252 తర్వాత డైరెక్ట్ 261 ఉంది సార్. ప్రింటింగ్ మిస్టేక్ అంటారా?
ప్రింటింగ్ మిస్టేక్. ఓకే. సో 11th నుండి ఎగ్జామ్స్ చదువుకోండి, అంతా రాయండి. అందరూ ఇష్యూ నేను చెప్పిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని మొత్తం అన్ని చాప్టర్స్ లో నేను చెప్పినవి చూసుకోండి, మాక్సిమం మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. విష్ యూ బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లక్. ఆల్ ద. ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఎవరికైనా?
సరే, డౌట్స్ తర్వాత క్లారిఫై చేస్తారా సార్ తర్వాత క్లాస్?
ఇప్పుడైనా ఉంటే మీరు నా నంబర్ ఉంది కదా, నా ఫోన్ నంబర్ ఉంది కదా మీ దగ్గర,
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
మెసేజ్ పెడితే ఏమైనా ఉంటే డౌట్స్ చెప్పండి.
సార్ సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ద హీట్ ఈక్వేషన్ అని అంటే డైరెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అట్లా ఇచ్చేస్తారా సార్?
డైరెక్ట్ ఇస్తారు. సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ద హీట్ ఈక్వేషన్ లేకపోతే వేవ్ ఈక్వేషన్, ఫైండ్ ద సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ద వేవ్ ఈక్వేషన్, ఆ మెథడ్ అంతా రాయాలి.
మీరు చెప్పింది ఇప్పుడు అంతా రాయాలా సార్?
అంతా రాయాలి. హీట్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో మళ్ళీ రెండు ఉన్నాయి. డి అలంబర్ట్స్ మెథడ్ అంటే వేరే, నేను హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చాను కదా, సేమ్ ఇట్లానే ఉంటది, అది రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. హీట్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే హీట్ ఈక్వేషన్, హోంగీస్ మెథడ్. నేను అన్ని మొత్తం 18 చాప్టర్స్ లో ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ చెప్పాను నేను.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, ఇంపార్టెంట్ చెప్పాను కనుక అవి చూసుకుంటే మీరు సరిపోతుంది. అవి చూసుకొని మీకు ఇంకా టైం ఉంటే ఎక్స్ట్రా తీసుకోండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి సార్.
అడగవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కాల్ చేస్తాను సార్.
కాల్ చేయండి లేదా మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి.
కొంచెం నంబర్ చెప్పరా సార్?
94909.
వన్ సెకండ్
సార్ చెప్పండి.
94909.
94901 సార్.
94909.
ఓకే సార్.
26009.
26009. ఓకే సార్.
All the best. Wish you happily.
Thank you very much.
All the best. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello.
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 Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Kaiko.
Hello. Hello.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, Amma.
Sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, I will start.
Yes, sir. Sir, please notes share कीजिए ना, notes नहीं आए हमको.
Share yes, sir. Share yes, sir.
ई ग्रुप लो, sir.
సార్ ఫస్ట్ మేది కూడా కొంచెం షేర్ చేయరా సార్? ఆ రోజు గ్రూప్ లో జాయిన్ కాలేదు సార్ అప్పటికి.
మేడం
సార్ ఫస్ట్ మేది అది క్యామ్ స్కాన్ షేర్ చేయరా సార్?
హలో హలో
సార్
చెప్పండి
సార్ ఫస్ట్ మేది షేర్ చేయరా సార్ గ్రూప్ లో? అప్పటికి గ్రూప్ లో జాయిన్ కాలేదు. 8th మే నుంచి ఉంది సార్ మీ నోట్స్, ఫస్ట్ మేది లేదు.
సరే, ఎనీ హౌ నా క్లాస్ పోయింది కానీ కంటిన్యూ చూడండి.
ఓకే
చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చూడండమ్మా, this notes open page number 1. Okay, all of you screen the share this notes. Okay, all of you. Number 1, integration by parts, no intermediate level. So this is integration by parts is minus infinity to less than a is less than b less than or equal to plus infinity. And suppose f dash and g dash are, and f dash and g dash are differentiable function, integrable functions on closed interval a to x, and x belongs to closed interval ab. So this is closed interval a to x. So it is called as a closed interval a to x. This is interval. Okay. Now this is left limit. Limit extends to b minus f of x into g of x. Okay. Next limits a to b, f dash of t into g of t into dt. One is derivative, remaining is function. Okay. We other definition is also a to b integral f of t into g dash of t into dt. So totally by parts integration formula, a to x integration f of t into g dash of t into dt is equal f of x into g of x upper minus lower limit f of a into g of a, upper limit minus lower limit, minus integral a to x f dash of t into g of t into dt. So this is the formula by parts. Two parts ఇచ్చినప్పుడు what happened is what is now anyone, this is a integral of x f of t into g dash of t into dt model ఉంటే like this. First upper limit, what is upper limit? f of x
Sir,
into
voice sir.
వినపడతలేదా? f of x into g of x. Okay, okay. వాయిస్ ఇప్పుడు వినపడుతుందమ్మా? హలో,
Clear sir, clear.
Clear. Okay, no problem. So that's so this is upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, now okay, this is now upper limit minus lower limit. Example problem. So this is example is a 0 to infinity x into e power of minus x. 0 to infinity x into e power of minus x. So this is a way it is called is f of x is equal to x, g of x is equal to g dash of x. What is a g of x is equal to minus e power of x. G of x is equal to minus e power of x, g dash of x is equal to e power of minus x. So what happened? Upper limit minus lower limit you can apply. Limit 0 to f dash of g of x, 0 to infinity e power of minus x dx is equal to minus 1. So we have to upper or lower. So extends to infinity. So this is 0 to infinity. So x into e power of minus x. This is limit extends to infinity x into e power of x. This is e power of minus infinity always 0. Upper limit will be 0. It is also lower limit is also limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0 minus x into e power of minus x is always 0. Upper minus lower is 0. So remaining part only this is upper minus lower plus 0 to infinity e power of minus x into dx, e power of minus x. Therefore f dash of x is equal to x. So e power of minus of x integration is e power of minus x by minus x. This is upper minus lower limit. And what happened is minus e power of minus x limits is 0 to infinity. So minus e power of minus infinity plus e power of 0. This is always 0. plus e power of 0 is 1. So what this is a problem is example 1 problem is so it's a clear now. This is a once again. This is also intermediate by parts. So JE means also. So we have the intermediate in real analysis in PG level. 0 to pi by 2 log of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x ಕೂಡ same value. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to also minus pi by 2 log 2. So we have to prove first of all. So this is integration. Let a is equal to the improper integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. This is the equation 1. Already my clear notes. So okay. So we got x is equal to g of t. G of t em తీసుకుంటున్నా 180 minus t, 180 minus theta. So d of dx by dt is equal to g dash of t is equal to minus 1, which is also we got dx by dt is equal to minus 1 or g dash of t is equal to minus 1. This is a lower limit, upper limit. So t is equal to 0, their lower limit, t is equal to 0. So this is x is equal to pi minus t. T is a lower limit to 0, then x is equal to pi. T is equal to upper limit to pi by 2. What is the x value? Pi minus pi by 2. And that is now 2 pi minus pi. And this is the value pi by 2. So upper limit to pi by 2, lower limit is pi. So what is the limits are there? So this is pi to pi by 2. Pi to pi by 2 log of sin of x value is pi minus t into dx. Dx is equal to minus 1 into dt. So minus 1 into g dash of t value minus 1. So this is minus integral. The low interval will be changes. So upper lower, lower upper. So got it? So what upper lower? So this is pi by 2 in pi. So pi by 2 pi log of sin t dt. Log of sin t dt. This is a variable change. So what is a is equal to pi by 2 pi log of sin t dt. So pi is the log of sin x into dx. This is the equation number 2. It's a clearly t variable in place of x. Now it's a simple like this. This is the same clearly. A is equal to also can be written as a by 2 plus a by 2 can be written as 1 is a by 2 and 1 by 2 is common. A plus a. 1 is a value is a first equation. Other a value it is called is a second equation. Other a value is second equation. One equation a 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx is the first equation. Other second equation pi by 2 pi log of sin x into dx. That's value. So 1 by 2 a is equal to 1 by 2 0 to pi by 2 is the log of sin x into dx plus pi by 2 pi is a log of sin x into dx. What is the interval division part? 0 to pi. So what happened? A is equal to 1 by 2. The interval part. What is the interval part? The interval 0 to pi in two parts. 0 to 1 is pi by 2 plus this is pi by 2 to pi. So what this is? So automatically 0 to pi. So what happened? So A is equal to 1 by 2. So A is equal to 1 by 2, 0 to pi, 0 to pi, third equation. 0 to pi log of sin x dx is the third equation. So it's a clearly, so third equation. Put I have taken next time, put x is equal to h of t is equal to what happened? 90 minus theta. One is 180 minus theta, what is another one? So dx by dt is equal to what happened? H dash of t is equal to what happened? 0 minus 1 is equal to we got minus 1. So that's the value. The limits value is C. So put x is equal to 90 minus t. So t is equal to 0. Then x is equal to lower limit pi by 2. Then t is equal to pi by 2. Then x is equal to what happened? 90 minus 90. This x is equal to 0. 0. Upper limit is 0. Lower limit is 90. So that's the value is A is equal to, the lower is pi by 2 to 0 log of sin 90 minus theta. Sin pi by 2 minus t. So into minus 1 into dt. So what's the value? So this is pi by 2 to 0 log of sin t dt minus. Minus వచ్చినప్పుడు we have in the upper limits or lower limits will be changed. And I got 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 90 minus theta cos t dt. So this is log cos t dt. This is the end of this page. So a is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of cos t dt. So dt in place of t in place of x variable, I'm taken x is a variable. So a is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. In fourth equation, a is equal to a plus a, 2a. 2a is equal to 0 to pi by 2. One is the a. What is the a is? First a is the first equation, second a is the fourth equation. So 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx plus 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. So limits will be same, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 same. Log to common, 0 to pi by 2 common, log of sin x plus log of cos x into dx. Log a plus log b, log ab, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into cos x into dx. So sin x into cos x can be written as multiply divide. So 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 by 2 into 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x dx. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Ante 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 by 2 sin 2x. 1 by 2 take outside. Ante so 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x by 2 dx. Mal again log a minus log b. 0 to pi by 2 log a log sin 2x minus log b log minus 2 into dx. 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx. So minus log 2 common, 0 to pi by 2 1 into dx. 1 into dx is x. X upper limit is pi by 2 minus 0. Got to minus pi by 2 log 2 in fifth equation. In before is 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x dx is equal to left hand side is 2a. So from third equation, a is equal to 1 by 2, 0 to log of sin x dx. From third equation, a is equal to 1 by 2, 0 to pi. Already in the third equation, 1 by 2, 0 to pi log of sin x dx. It is also can be written as 1 by 2, the integral multiplied. So the 2 will be removed, then x is equal to 2t. And therefore, x is equal to 2t substitution. X is equal to 2t substitution. What is that now? Now dx is equal to 2 into dt. So it is. So we have the value sequence substitution. So what happened? X is equal to 2t substitution. 2 cancels the 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2t into dt. So 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x into dx. 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x into dx. In fifth equation, what is the fifth equation? 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx is equal to angles. We know that a. So what happened is clearly. So it is a fifth equation. So that is called is 2a is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x dx minus 1 by 2 log 2. 2a minus 1 by 2 log 2. A is take left hand side. 2a minus a is equal to minus 1 by 2 log 2. So 2a minus a is equal to minus 1 by 2 log 2. That is what is the a? Ends. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 log 2. That is a minus 1 by 2 log 2. Minus 1 by 2 log 2. So minus 1 by 2 log 2. That is the answer. This is your textbook page number. We know idea in 10th topic in improper integral. 10th topic is the 10th topic is improper integrals is. So it is okay. That is a topic is 10. So that is called is in page number 161. Recently just now is completed. We are go to the page number 162 page number in textbook. That is a part 10.6.1 theorem. This is important also. So it is called is 0 to infinity is sin x by x into dx is equal to pi by 2. So all of you. So okay, this is 0 to pi by 2. This is a integration is called is now. So we are limit x tends to 0, sin x by x tends to 1. We are converges to 1 as x tends to 0. We may take value we may take value of the integral at 0 to be 1 and it is continuous. The convergence of the integral at infinite. So 0 to infinite, sin x by x dx is equal to limit t tends to infinity, 0 to t, sin x by x dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity. What is the 2n plus 1 by 2? Sin x, what is the sign of? The sin x domain. What is the domain is? 2n plus 1 in pi by 2. That is the domain. So what is now? Limit n tends to infinity is 0 to infinity 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 sin x by x into dx. Okay. So let I have taken un. This is un is equal. Let un. So what is the un is equal 0 to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 into sin x by x into dx. Sin x by x is a dx. Oh, this is called this. So this is a okay. Second is completed. Now we are going to the third page. So this is, we want to find limit n tends to infinity un. So x is equal to 2n plus 1y. So x is equal to 2n plus 1y. So substituting un is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Sin of x is equal to what is the substitution? 2n plus 1 into y. Sin x by sin y got it. Therefore, sin 2n plus 1 by y into dy. So sin. We now recall the trigonometric identity. What is the trigonometric identity? Sin 2r plus 1 into y minus 2r minus 1 into y. That is sin a minus sin b. And sin a plus b, sin a minus b formula. Sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. E minus of minus before is a plus. These two terms is cancelled. What happened? 2 cos 2ry into sin y. 2 cos 2ry sin y. R is equal to 1, 2 up to so on n in terms. And we get since 2n plus 1 into y minus sin y is equal to, so what is the sin 2n plus 1y is equal to already 2 cos ry sin y. Already sin y it is there. Only now, so 2 sin y is common, is a 2 sin y is a common. So what is a, this is sin n plus, so it's a word sin 2n plus 1y minus sin y is equal to, so it is a applying the formula sin a plus b cos b, we have to apply. This is called is 2 sin y is common, summation of r is equal to n to n 2 cos r ny. This is a value is equal. So 2 n plus 1y sin y. So same thing we have to say clearly. So sin y summation of r is equal to 1 to n cos of r n minus 5. Therefore sin 2n plus 1y minus sin y, you are going the plus right side. So we taken sin y plus 1 plus 2 into summation of r is equal to 1 to n cos of 2ry. So let Vn is equal to, I am taken, this is a Vn. So this is a Vn is equal to 0 to pi by 2. This is 0 to pi by 2. Sin 2n plus 1, sin 2n plus 1. So y by sin y into dy, sin y into dy. So sin 2n plus 1y. 0 to pi by 2, sin 2n plus 1 by y sin y is equal to, sin 2n plus 1y is equal to our formula already this, we know that. So it is sin y is cancelled. Denominator, numerator, sin y is will cancel. Only 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus 2 into summation r is equal to 1 to n cos 2ry into dy. So separately, 0 to pi by 2, 1 into dy plus 2 into summation of r is equal to 1 to n, 0 to pi by 2 into cos 2r dy. So 1 into dy is y. So y integration, pi by 2, upper limit minus 0, pi by 2 minus 0. So we got, so 2 into summation r is equal to 1 to n, 0 to pi by 2, cos 2ry dy. So cos 2ry dy. So it is, now it's the same thing. 90, this is always, this is always integration of cos 2ry dy is equal to 0. R belongs to z, integer and always 0. Okay, before is pi by 2 plus 0. Okay, at Vn is equal to pi by 2 for each positive integer. Now we shall prove that un minus Vn tends to 0 as n tends to infinity, as n tends to infinity. Okay, so this is called this 0 to pi by 2 sin of un is the value. This is called as un value. This is called as vn value. So what is the value? Un value 0 to pi by 2 sine 2n plus 1 y by y into dy. 0 to 2 pi by 2 sine 2n plus 1 into y by sine y into dy. What is the common term? 0 to pi by 2 sine 2n plus 1 into y is a common term. 1 by y minus 1 by sine y dy. This is the equation small a we got. So this is the equation small a. Now input this is a simplify that. 1 by y sine y is a simplify that. 1 by y minus 1 by sine y. It takes LCM y sine y minus y by y sine y. So sine y minus y by y square into y by sine y, and put to multiply divide numerator denominator multiply divide y by sine y by L'Hospital rules. By L'Hospital rules, y by sine y is equal to always 1. Manaku already what is the limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta is equal to 1 always, or limit theta tends to 0, theta by sine theta is equal to 1. The same thing, limit y tends to 0, y by sine y is equal to always 1 is 1. Now remaining part is L'Hospital rule is limit y tends to 0. The remaining part sine y minus y by y square is L'Hospital rule 0 by 0 form. Numerator derivative, denominator derivative. Sine y differentiation cos y differentiation 1 is the 2y. So cos y differentiation minus sine y is a 0. 2y differentiation 2. The limits value apply, it is a 0. Minus 0 by 2, it's always 0. So that is called as 0. Now it is a minus 0 by 2 is equal to 0. We conclude that. So this is why we conclude that the integral part in the expansion for un minus vn is a proper Riemann integrable. Observing that sine into 2n plus 1y is a derivative of, what is the derivative of sine 2n plus 1 derivative is the d by dy of what happened minus cos 2n plus 1 into y by 2n plus 1. What is the cos? Cos differentiation minus of minus plus sine 2n plus 1 into y into 2n plus 1. Denominator multiply divide is cancelled. But what happened? Sine 2n plus 1 into y is equal to the differentiation of dy of minus cos 2n plus 1 into y by into n plus 1. This is a equal. So that is called is a equal by using the integration by parts. So integration by parts is 0 to pi by 2 dy of minus cos 2n plus 1 by into y by 2n plus 1 into 1 by y minus 1 by. This is a u, this is a u, this is a v. UV rule applied. So upper limit minus lower limit. This is called is this is called is upper limit. This is called is lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit plus remaining part. What is the remaining part is 1 by 2n plus 1 0 to pi by 2 cos 2n plus 1 into y into minus 1 by y square. This is the differentiation. This is a u. This is a v. Wrong word. This is u. Minus 1 by y square plus 1 by sin square y in cos y. This is the differentiation into dy. So it's called is a rim. Now same part. Limit y tends to 0. Y tends to 0 cos y by sin square y minus 1 by y square. This is a part B part. This is a B part equation. This part limits y tends to 0 apply. B equation. Limit y tends to 0. So we take LCM. What is the LCM? Y square cos y minus sin square. Y to the power of o. Because y square vastadi. Y square sin square vastadi. I multiply divide. Numerator multiply divide. Y square by sin square y to the power of o. So what is this meaning? Y square by sin square y. Limit to y tends to 0 always 1. What happened? So y by sin y, limit y tends to 0 always 1. Y by sin y is a whole square, 1 square. What is the, this part is 100% is 1. So this part you can find the rules, L'Hospital rules. So what is the L'Hospital rules are there? Limit y tends to 0, y square cos y minus sin square by y to the power. L'Hospital, numerator derivative, denominator. What is the numerator derivative? 2y cos y minus y square sin y minus 2 sin y cos y by 4y cube. 0 by 0 form. Limit y tends to 0. Well, again 0 by 0. Again numerator derivative 2 cos y minus 2y sin y minus y square cos y minus 2y sin y minus 2 ఇది 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta అంటే 2 cos 2y So again 0, 12y square denominator. Again 0 by 0 form. Again minus 2 sin y minus 4y cos y. So this is called this minus 4y cos. And y derivation chesinapudu these are 4y cos y. So this is a part is again 24y. So this is a simplification. We got to simplify. Minus 6y sin y minus 6y cos y plus y square sin y plus 4 sin 2y. 24 0 by 0 form. Again numerator derivative minus 6y cos y minus 6 cos y plus 6y sin y plus 2y sin y plus y square cos y into so 8 cos y. So like that. So this is 24 into 1. Numerator denominator apply minus 6 plus 8 minus 12 plus 4 by 24 minus 4 by 24 minus 1 by 6. This is the limits minus. So that the integral part cos 2n plus 1 into y by cos y by sin square by 1 minus square is bounded in 0 comma open interval 0 comma. That is the lambda greater than 0. This is a bounded get a positive independent of n. So that is called is the that is a cos of 2n plus 1 into y less than or equal to 1 such that the absolute value of integral value is less than lambda for all y belongs to 0 comma of open interval pi by 2. So that is so mod of un minus vn is equal to emochindi lambda into pi by 2 by 2n plus 1. This is the denominator 2n plus 1 tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. Denominator lo n it is there, n tends to infinity. Numerator by infinity is always 0. So what happened? It follows that un minus vn tends to 0 as n tends to infinity proof. Therefore un, so un is converges to pi by 2 as n tends to infinity. Vn is equal to pi by 2. Vn is equal to pi by 2 always. And also Vn is equal to pi by 2 always. Vn is equal to pi by 2 and also this is a pi by 2 un. So un minus pi by 2 is tends to 0. It is going to right side. Un is tends to 0 plus pi by 2. So what is un in tends to pi by 2? Un is converges to pi by 2 as n tends to infinity. As n tends to infinity. So we got the problem is confident. Un is tends to pi by 2, n tends to infinity. What is the un value? 0 to infinity sin x by x into dx is equal to what is the value? Pi by 2. That is the answer, is the main concept. So you can useful of this is the properties. So okay. Now next is one minute. Hello? 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 Hello?
హలో
Hello?
సార్ సార్ చెప్పండి.
Okay. Okay. So this is a problem is next is 10.6.8. 10.6.8 theorem. This is the problem is very simple. 0 to infinity integration. 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity sine cube x by x cube dx. Sine cube x by x. First x is equal to pi by 4. B part. Sine cube x by x cube dx is equal to 3 pi by 8. First we know that part. Intermediate level. Sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Sine cube x is equal to 3 by 4 sine x minus 1 by 4 sine x. 0 to infinity sine cube x by x into dx. So this is sine cube value substitution. What is the substitution? 3 by 4 sine x by x dx. 1 by 4 sine 3x dx. 3 by 4 sine 0 to infinity sine x by x dx value already previous just now. Pi by 2. 1 by 4 0 to infinity sine 3x by x dx. What is now? Put x is equal to 3x is equal to y. X is equal to y by 3. Dx is equal to dy by 3. So 3 pi by 8 to 1 by 4. Limits no change. 0 to infinity sine y. 3x is equal to y. Sine y. What is x is equal to y by 3? What is the dx is equal to dy by 3? We can 3 numerator. 0 to infinity sine y by y. 3 into dy by 3. 3 is cancelled. So what happened is 3 pi by 8 minus 1 by 4. 0 to infinity sine y by dy. What is the sine y by dy is equal? Pi by 2. 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4, 8. So pi by 8. 3 pi by 8, pi by 8. What is the value? 2 pi by 8. 2 1 2 4. Got what is the value? Pi by 4. The part A will be cancelled. So it's completed. So next is part B. What is the part B? We have to write. So this is part B. It's a clearly sine cube x by x cube into dx. So this is convergence M test. You can use the formula. So what happened is sine cube x by x can be written as x cube. So sine cube x is into d by dx of minus 1 by x. D by dx of minus 1 by x. Minus of minus plus. So 1 by x square. 1 by x square. Got it? 1 by x square x. X cube again. Got it? Can be written as. This is a u. This is a b. The integral part is the integration part is a is we are using the by parts. A is equal to upper limit to. What is the upper or lower limit you can apply? Limit extends to infinity is can be written as limit extends to infinity sine cube by x into minus 1 by x minus lower limit to x is extends to infinity. So limit extends 0 sine cube by x into minus 1 by x plus 0 to infinity 1 by x into 1 by x into d by dx of sine cube x by x. So dx 0 to infinity 1 by x d by dx of sine cube x. So d by dx of like this. So called what happened is called 1 by x to sine cube x by x. So what is the d by dx is? Your part is computed. So upper limit to minus lower limit to plus differentiation. What is the differentiation? What is the uv integral part? uv integral part. U integral of v dx minus u integration of d by dx of u integral of v dx formula prakaram. What is the d by dx of u? So what is the d by dx? Sine cube of x by x, u by v form integral differentiation. X into d by dx of sine cube x minus sine cube of x into d by dx of x. What happened? Sine cube x by x differentiation x into 3 sine square x cos x minus sine cube x. So like that. So got the same right here. I am to write here. 0 to infinity 1 by x, x into 3 sine square x into sine x cos x differentiation minus sine cube x by v square. X square already it is 1 by x. 1 by x into x, 1 by x cube. So 0 to infinity 0 to infinity x into 3 sin square x into cos x minus sin cube x by x cube. 3 is take outside common. X cancel. Sin square x into cos x by x square into dx separately. Middle term minus 0 to infinity sin cube x by x cube into dx. This is the value a minus a. Minus a, we go into the left side. A plus a. So we got. So this is a plus a. So we got a plus a is equal to 3 into 0 to infinity sin square x into cos x by x square dx. Once again, mal again. So this is 3b. What is now? 3b. What is the b? Where b is equal to? This is a b is equal to 0 to infinity sin square x into cos x. So cos x is the cos x. This is the value. So we got to by x square. By x square is means d by dx of minus 1 by x square. Antiderivative we can take integration. The differentiation is cancelled. And this is a v, this is a u. So we got b value separate. B is the equation in separate. We have to apply by parts method. Limit, upper limit. Upper limit is x tends to infinity sin square x into cos x into minus 1 by x. Lower limit minus limit x tends 0 sin square x into cos x into minus 1 by x plus minus or plus d by dx of uv. This is u. And this is mean sin square d by dx of. So what is the d by dx is? So d by dx of sin square x cos x differentiation. 2 sin x differentiation cos x. Already it is cos x. 2 sin x cos square x plus. So sin square x into cos x differentiation minus sin x minus sin cube by x by. So already it is there 1 by x. Already it is a plus 1 by x. Upper limit is 0, lower limit is 0. 0 minus 0, 0 to infinity. 2 sin x cos square x minus sin cube x by x into dx. 0 to infinity 2 sin x. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x minus sin cube x by dx. 0 to infinity 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x by minus sin cube x into dx. Minus 2 sin cube x minus 3 sin cube x by x dx is equal to separately. 2 take outside 0 to infinity sin x by x dx minus 3 sin cube x by x into dx. What is this result to by part A? Just previous we learned in part A. So we know that sin x by dx is pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2 minus 3 into sin cube x by dx is already. So and also we know that pi by 4 in part A. 3 pi by 4. 2 is cancelled. Pi minus 3 pi by 4. Pi minus 3 pi by 4. 4 pi minus 3 pi by 4. What is the we got result is pi b is equal to pi by 4. What is the b value? We know that. So we know that. What is the we know that? This is called 2a. 2a is equal to 3b and also. What is the a is equal? 3b by 2 and also. This is 3b. What is the b is equal? Pi by 4. So 3 by 2 b. What is the b value? Pi by 4. So 3 pi 8 a value. What is a value? 3 by. What is the a? This is 0 to infinity sin cube x by x cube into dx is equal to 3 pi by 8. So this is called is now is a improper integrals. Next to 10.6.9. So we'll listen to me. So 0 to infinity sin square x by x square into dx is equal to pi by 2. 0 to infinity sin to the power of 4 x into x square into dx is equal to pi by 4. C part 0 to infinity sin to the power of 4 x into x to the power of 4 dx is equal to pi by 3. A, B, C. So we can find the process is also. We are the same in continuation. Same part. So intermediate level, the antiderivative and by parts UV method apply. So u integral of v dx minus the whole integral d by dx of u. That's time. So ikkada uv integral em chestado upper limit minus lower limit is there. So what happened is called is. So part A sin square x by what is the sin square? Sin square x by x square. So what can be written as sin square x is same. This is 1 by x square can be written as d by dx into minus 1 by x. D by dx minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square. Same again. This is a u, this is a v. So this antiderivative integration cancel it. What is the rate? Upper minus lower limit. What is upper? Limit extends to infinity sin square x into minus 1 by x upper limit minus lower limit. Limit extends to 0 sin square x into minus 1 by x. Upper minus lower, what is the 0? Minus of minus plus. But minus 1 by x already is there. Minus of minus plus 0 to infinity in d by dx of u. What is the u is? Sin square x. Sin square x into differentiation 2 sin x cos x. Already ikkada 1 by x is there. 2 sin x cos x is there. What happened? 2 sin x cos x. 0 minus 0, 0 to infinity sin x cos x by dx. So 0 to infinity sin 2x by x is dx. Already we know that. Very simple. So 0 to sin 2x by x into dx. This నాకు 430 దాకా ఉంది అమౌంట్ వెళ్ళిపోతాం. ఇంకా 10 నిమిషాలు ఉంది ఏమంటేస్తాను. సో దిస్ ఇస్ sin 2x dx అంటే వాట్ ఇస్ ద 2x is equal to y అనుకోండి. పుట్ x is equal to y by 2. సో therefore dx is equal to ఏమైతే దిస్ ఇస్ dy by 2. The limits no change. What is now 0 to infinity. So sin 2x అంటే sin y. This is y by 2. This is the dy by 2. So can be written as 0 to y infinity sin y. So y 2 into dy by 2. So this is 2 is cancelled. 0 to infinity sin y by y into dy is equal to pi by 2. Well, same. So what happened? This result is sin y is pi by 2. So what happened? Hence, so what is the value? So the part A 0 to infinity sin square x by x square into dx is equal to pi by 2. That is the answer. Okay. So same thing. Now is the B part. Sin to the power of 4. Sin to the power of 4 by x into x square. Same. E 1 by x square can be written as sin to the power of 4 into d by dx of 1 minus 1 by x. Same. Well, same. Again, this is u. This is a b. This is a u. This is a b. So integration this part. So we have to apply. So it is uv method apply. So limit upper minus lower limit. Limit extends unity upper limit. Sin to the power of 4x into minus 1 by x. Lower limit. Limit extends 0. Sin to the power of 4x into minus 1 by x. This value is already 0. 0 to infinity. What is the differentiation? Sin to the power of 4x differentiation. 4 sin cube x. Sin x differentiation cos x. So this is called is cos x. So we got is a cos x. What happened is called is now 4 sin cube x cos x by x into dx. 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. 4 sin cube x both side or left side right side multiplied cos x. 3 sin x cos x minus sin 3x cos x. 3 by 2 sin 2x multiply divide sin 2x. 1 by 2 into 2 sin 3 cos x cos x. 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a. So this is 2 sin a cos b formula. Ante sin of a plus b sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b model apply formula. 2 sin a cos b model apply. Sin c plus sin d. And 2 sin minus 1 by 2 into sin 4x plus sin 2x. 3 by 2 sin 2x, 1 by 2 sin 2x. So 1 by 2 sin 2x minus 1 by 2 sin 4. These two are same. So 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So therefore 2 by 2 is cancelled. Sin 2x. 2 by 2 by sin 2x. 2 cancel. Minus 1 by 2, 4. These values you can substitute. 0 to infinity sin to the power of 4x square dx is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 0 to infinity 4 sin cube x into cos x by x into dx. 0 to infinity this numerator value. What is the numerator value? Sin 2x minus 1 by 2 into sin 4x by x into dx. So same thing. Sin 2x by separately sin 2x by x into dx minus 1 by 2 into sin 4x by x. Same thing and can put sin 2x ఉంటుంది 4x ఉంటుంది any value. 2x is equal to y1 choose చేసుకోండి. 4x is equal to y2 choose చేసుకోండి. Same thing. So what is x is equal to y1 by 2? X is equal to y2 by 4. Dx is equal to y1 by 2. dy1 by 2. Dx is equal to dy2 by 4. So 0 to infinity sin y1 by y1 by 2 into dy1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into sin y2 by y2 by 4 into dy by 2 4. 0 to infinity sin y1 by y1 into 2 cancel dy1 minus 1 by 2 0 to infinity sin y2 by 2 into 4 cancel dy2. 0 to infinity sin y1 by y1 d1 minus 1 by 2 into 0 to infinity sin y2 by y2 into dy. Sin y2 by y2 pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 pi by 2. Pi by 2 is common. 1 minus 1 by 2. Pi by 2 into 1 by 2. That is called is pi by 4. So it is called is clearly. So 0 to infinity sin to the power of 4 x square dx is equal to pi by 4. It's clearly. Okay. So this is called is next. The C part. What is the C part is? This is C part is. This is a C part. Okay. So a is equal to 0 to infinity sin to the power of 4 by x to the power of 4. So this is the way. 0 to infinity sin to the power of 4x by x 1 comma remaining part. d by dx of 1 by x put them minus 1 by 2x square. 1 by 2x square 2 cancel అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ plus 2 by x cube. 2 is cancel x cube 1 by x to the power of 4 same. So got this is the value u, this is the value. So we total integration cancel. What happened? This is a upper minus limit extends to infinity sin.
అది 1 by 2x square ఎలా వచ్చింది ఒకసారి
చెప్తా. This is d by dx of minus 1 by 2x square. దీన్ని uv మెథడ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. మైనస్ పక్కన పెట్టండి, మైనస్ పక్కన పెట్టుకో. d by dx of ఈ మైనస్ 1 by 2 కూడా పక్కన పెట్టండి. d by dx of 1 by x square ఏమవుతుంది? ఓకే, ఒక సింపుల్ గా రాస్తా చూడండి. minus 1 by 2 d by dx of 1 by x square గా అంటే x to the power of minus 2 అంటే ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? minus 1 by 2 x to the power of minus 2 డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది? minus 2 x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 into x to the power of minus 3. ఈ minus 2 క్యాన్సల్, మైనస్ మైనస్ ఏమైంది? ప్లస్ అయింది. ఏమొచ్చింది రిజల్ట్? x to the power of minus 3. x to the power of minus 3 అంటే వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ? 1 by x cube అంటే ఏమొచ్చింది? దిస్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ x to the power of minus 3 వచ్చింది అంటే 1 by x cube. ఆల్రెడీ నేను బిఫోర్ ఏం పెట్టుకున్నాను? sin to the power of 4x by x. x in x ఏమవుతుంది? x to the power of 4. x to the power of 4 can be written as what now? So sin to the power of 4 by x to the power of 4 can be written as sin to the power of 4x by x d by dx of minus 1 by 2x square. uv ruler by parts method. Well, again upper minus lower limit, always upper limit 0, lower limit 0 plus 1 by 2. This is the differentiation. What is the differentiation? d by dx of differentiation.
స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లేదు.
ఎందుకు అవపడుతుందా ఇప్పుడు? ఒక్క నిమిషం అవపడుతుందమ్మా. మళ్ళీసారి చేస్తా చూడండి. స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఓకేనా? ఓకే,
ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది.
ఆల్రైట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఇస్ this is same process upper minus lower. Well, again d by dx of sin to the power of 4x by x uv method apply. So we have to this is a numerator denominator once again. So we have to left e 1 by 2 take cross multiplication 2a 0 to infinity. So 4 x is cancel, 4 sin cube x cos x x cube dx 0 to infinity sin to the power of 4x by x to the power of dx. 2a is equal to 0 to infinity 4 sin cube x into cos x by x cube dx. This is the value a minus a. Minus a we can take left side. 2a plus a in 3a. 4 is common, 0 to infinity sin cube x into cos x by x cube into dx. 4 into 0 to infinity sin cube x into cos x dx. X cube can be written as once again minus 1 by 2x square. Again uv method. This is the same process method. We can to understand upper and lower limit method. Same process. Well, once again, this is the process. We can continue. So this is the value in pi. A is equal to 3a is equal to pi. A is equal to pi by 3. This is pi by 3. So okay. So this is key clearly. Now again. So it is called is very simple. Now beta and gamma function in the 11th topic is. So beta function for x greater than 0, y greater than 0, beta of x comma y. This is beta of x comma y. What is the beta of x comma y is equal to formula to this integration 0 to 1 t to the power of x minus 1 into 1 minus t into y to the power of y minus 1 into dt. This is beta of x comma y. Some other beta of m comma n. The beta is a Euler first kind atom. So beta function Euler of first kind atom 0 to 1. So x to the power of m minus 1 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 into dx are the same. Same formula in m comma n. In formula is x comma y. This is the beta of x comma y. Important. This is 0 to 1 t to the power of x minus 1 into 1 minus t into y minus 1. This x y compulsory x comma y compulsory x minus 1 y minus 1 t power of into dt. So sometimes etla rasinchandi beta of m comma n. Ee m comma n let undala compulsory 0 to 1 into x to the power of m minus 1 y to the power of 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 into dx. Into dx. Ikkada chudandi 1 minus x to the power of n minus. So this is a beta function always. So make chinna properties, small properties is. So what is the properties are there? So for all x greater than 0, y greater than 0, beta of x comma y is equal to beta of y comma x. Commutative property. Beta of x comma y is equal to 0 to 1, t to the power of x minus 1, 1 minus t into y to the power of y minus 1 into dt. Put to t is equal to m1 call, put to 1 minus s. Up dt is equal to 1s minus ds. Okay now. So t is equal to 0, lower limit. T is equal to 0, then s is equal to 1. T is equal to put 1, s is equal to 0. Upper limits will change. So what happened is 1 to 0, 1 minus s, x to the power of x minus 1, s into y to the power of minus 1, minus ds. Minus ds వచ్చినప్పుడు lower upper change. Lower upper change 0 to 1, s to the power of 5 minus 1, 1 minus s into x minus 1 into ds. This is a formula from equal from beta of y comma x. So beta function will be satisfied in a commutative property. Beta of x comma y is equal to beta of y comma x. So second property. For all x greater than 0, y greater than 0, beta of x comma y is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2, sine to the power of 2x minus 1 into theta, cos to the power of 2y minus 1 into theta. So beta of x comma y formula is one. What is the beta of x comma y formula? 0 to power of 1, t power of n minus 1, t power of x minus 1, 1 minus t whole power of 5 minus 1 into theta. Now what is that? T is equal to sine square theta. 1 minus t is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. And we take cos square theta. What is the d theta by d theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. This is d theta is equal to 2 sine theta d theta name raskochu. Sine 2 theta d theta. D theta is equal to sine 2 theta d theta. So what we can write to theta is equal to 0, t is equal to, so t is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0, t is equal to 1, t is equal to 1 ayate so 1 ayate sin t is equal to 1 ayate sin 90 degrees, theta is equal to pi by 2. Beta of x comma y in terms of 0 to pi by 2, what is the t is equal? Sin square theta. So to the power of x minus 1, what is the 1 minus t is equal to also cos square theta, the power of y minus 1 into what is the dx? Dt is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. 2 is take numerator before 0 to pi by 2 into sin to the power of 2x sin to the power of minus theta. So again cos square. So sin theta, before sin theta we can write here. Cos to the power of 2y into cos to the power of minus 2 theta into cos theta d theta. So cos power of 1 theta, cos power of 1 theta we taken. So sin to the power of 2x minus 1 into theta, cos to the power of 2y minus 1 into d theta, 2 into. So this is a one property. So again, so beta, this is called this. Beta of x comma y is equal to important. X greater than 0, y greater than 0. Beta of x comma y is equal to 0 to infinity. T to the power of x minus 1, 1 plus t whole power of x plus y into d theta. Beta of x comma y is equal to formula. So 0 to 1, s to the power of x minus 1, 1 minus s into y to the power of n minus 1 into ds. So equation 1, s is equal to t by t plus 1, put on call. But then t is equal to s by 1 minus 1. T equal to 0, s is equal to 0. T is equal to infinity, s is equal to 1. So 1 minus s equal 1 by 1 plus t. So s to the power of x minus 1, 1 minus to the power of y minus 1 is equal to t to the power of x minus 1, 1 plus t to the power of x plus y plus 2. So ds by dt is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square. From equation 1, substitution. Beta of x comma y, 0 to infinity t to the power of x minus 1, 1 plus t, x plus y minus 2, 1 by 1 plus t square is a cancel. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So beta of x comma y is equal to 0 to infinity t power of x minus 1, t power of x minus 1, 1 plus t whole power of x plus y into d theta. So similarly, so 4.3.6. So it is called is 0 to infinity t to the power of 5 minus 1, 1 plus t to the power of x plus y d theta. So this is the property beta functions also. So other way beta functions, beta of x comma 1 is equal to 1 by x, beta of 1 comma x is equal to beta formula, x in plus 1 substitution, y in plus 1 substitution. So 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 t to the power of x minus 1 d theta. What is the x power of n integration formula? X power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. T power of x minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by x minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. T power of x by x. So 0 to 1. Upper minus lower 1 by x is there. Beta of 1 comma x is also 1 by x. And what is beta of 1 comma x is equal to? So beta of x comma 1 is equal to 1 by x. So that is the answer. So it is next property is called is beta of 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Beta of x comma y is equal to, we know that formula. X is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. We can substitute is a cancel. Sine power of 1 minus 1, sin power of 0, cos power of 0, 1 into d theta, t theta, pi by 2 minus t, 2 cancel, pi, beta of 1 by 2, pi by 2. So this is the gamma function. So SAR is there. It is next class is started. So we can now until continue. So this is a way. So gamma function. So beta function is close. What is the gamma function? This is a gamma function. X is greater than 0. We write gamma x. Gamma x is equal to 0 to infinity e power of minus t, t power of x minus 1 into d theta. The function is called as a defined a positive. X is known as Euler gamma function. So it is also gamma n is a function also. What is a gamma n? Gamma function t power of. So this is called as t power of 0 to infinity e power of minus t power of so x minus 1 into dt. The function is gamma is defined for all positive values x and b. So this is also sometimes gamma n is also. What is a gamma n is equal to also can be written as 0 to infinity e power of minus x, e power of minus x, x to the power of n minus 1 into dx. This is a n lala raste gamma n is equal to 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity e power of minus x, 0 to x to the power of n minus 1 into dx is n gamma n. So gamma x la raste, what is a gamma x is equal to 0 to infinity e power of minus t, t to the power of n minus 1 into dt. So that is called is gamma n. N is greater than positive 0. The define a gamma function is called is Euler second kind of the function. So it is called is. So gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n is also we prove. So this is gamma n plus 1 is equal to also. మీరు చూడండి ట్రై చేయండి అర్థమైతే gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. It is also gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factor or gamma n is equal to n minus 1 factor. Next, this is important relation. X greater than 0, y greater than 0, beta of x comma y is equal to gamma x, gamma y, gamma x plus y. In proof in ER textbook, as other proof is same. Gamma beta of m comma n is called gamma m, gamma of m plus n, m greater than 0, n greater than 0. You have to proof is this way. So if it is now. నెక్స్ట్ సార్ క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటాడు కావచ్చమ్మా. చెప్పండి. వివరితో అయిపోయినాయి కదమ్మా. టుమారో ఇస్ క్లోజ్ కదా. ఇంకేమన్నా చెప్పిరా?
లేదు సార్.
ఇంకా టుమారో క్లాస్ చెప్పండి.
చెప్పారా సార్?
నేను ఆల్వేస్ మాక్సిమం ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద వెరీ పర్టికులర్ నోట్స్. మంచి నోట్స్ ఇచ్చాను. నా నోట్స్ మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా మీరు చూడండి. నేను ఇచ్చిన నోట్స్ లో ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లో ఎన్ని బిట్లు వస్తాయి చూడండి. 100% వస్తాయి. నేను ఇచ్చిన నోట్స్ లో లాంగ్ క్वेश्चंस వస్తాయి, షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా?
ओके थैंक यू
सर. ये पूरे नोट्स ग्रुप में डालिए ना सर शुरू से.
ओके 100%. ओके చేస్తాను.
सर हमारे नंबर के ग्रुप में भी डालिए सर.
ओके ओके
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. पेपर सर पे चला सर.
ओके
थैंक यू सर.